Okay, here is number 16. Number 16 says rectangle 1, just here, was reflected over the x-axis, which it is here now. Then the image was reflected across the y, which is there for figure number 3. What single transformation could have been done to produce the same result? Now, remember, it says rotate. Let's go through the steps. Rotate, A says rotate the original rectangle 90 degrees clockwise. So if we do that, that is basically this. So you're saying that this is the way I do it. This is quadrant number 1. This is quadrant number 2. This is quadrant number 3. This is quadrant number 4. So figure 3, to get to figure 3, it should be in 4, quadrant number 4. So if I rotate 90 degrees clockwise, I'm looking at figure 1 about the origin, and that right there, figure 1, makes it in the quadrant number 1. So that is not the answer. It has to be in quadrant number 4. Right? It has to go from here to here in one step. So A is out. Reflect the original across the line y equals x. That will do it. But if you see, you're going 1 over, 2 over, 1 down, 2 down, that would take this point right here is on the bottom right, and it changes to that point right here, which is on the top left. And see, 1 over, 1 another, so that's 3 over, and then you're supposed to go 3 down. So that's where the other point would be, and the figure would kind of be like this. All right, and not exactly, but it would, that's the shape that it would be if you're reflecting over y equals x. So that would not work at all. So that's not the answer. So cross that off. Rotate the original rectangle 180 degrees about the origin, and if you look at figure number 1, we're going to rotate it 180 degrees. We are right here, and this is where you have to have that figure 3. Rotate it back. You'll see that that is the point right there, and that's the answer. So that would be one single transformation that would give you, that would take figure 1 and bring it to 3 in one step instead of the 2 that they originally listed.